Feathers are growing. You're not going to have a bald head anymore. Looking good. I'm so happy you're not going to be bald. Yeah, but if you were, it didn't matter. You just had lunch, didn't you? You still hungry? He's got new feathers growing in on his neck as well, like on the throat area. I guess Monty really plucked him. And Monty is plucking Willow as well. I have to separate them. He's plucking her head. She didn't like that. So your feather's going to be grown in no time. You look good. So in a few weeks, you're going to look like you're all feathered in, or you're going to be all feathered in. Yes. So he's 6.5 weeks old. And if you're new to my channel, his father plucked the back of his head and neck area, and he was pretty bald. But the feathers started to grow back after 10 days. So that's pretty good. So they, take a while to fully grow out. But they're growing very fast. Every morning, they're growing in more. So there he is. Yay, you're going to fly away, aren't you? Oh, I named him Bubbles. This is Bubbles. Hi, Bubbles. 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 Come on, buddy. There we go. What's your Bubbles? Oh. Look how long the tail is, too. Here, let me see. Put you down. Down. No, he doesn't want to go. All right, let me put him under and then over. So his tail is really long as well. I think it might grow just a little bit longer, but it's almost like an adult size or length tail.